Okay, guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're designing the rocket in Fusion 360. This is the one contour that we made in RPA last video. So let's get started. So first, in order to start anything in Fusion 360, you got to make a sketch. So here's our sketch. And then we got to project these lines because these aren't part of the sketch. So we'll have to project these lines like that. 5 selected, and then we'll hit this is offset. We're going to offset it negative 0.25, and then that's how thick our walls are going to be, just like that. I forgot to turn that on, so I'm turning on right now. That's what I just clicked. I've turned on what's it, timeline. So at the bottom you'll see what I've been doing, and then if I ever need to, I can go back. If it's not on, it gets annoying sometimes, so that's the only reason I turned it on. We're gonna go back and finish this. So okay. Okay. There we go. And then to finish the form, there we go. Now it can be made into a solid object. So let's do that. Let's go back here. Yeah, there you go. So we have this. So instead of just like extruding it, we're going to go to revolve. It selected it for us, and then we'll hit our axis. Look at that. There's a rocket. And then see down here, the timeline is saving it. So if I ever want to go change it, I could just come down here, double click it, and then I can change it. But I'm fine with that. So yeah. And here's all my bodies. That's a body, and then the sketches are right here. I don't want this to be steel, so I'm gonna go in here, physical material, maybe. Gonna load. Okay, there you go. Then we're gonna go to metal, and I actually just want it to be aluminum because I'll be able to make aluminum with my furnace I have. So we're gonna make it out of cast aluminum. There you go. And then so now that we have the combustion chamber, we need to make the injector for the rocket. So we'll take a sketch and then put it on the end here. We'll take a circle, put it all the way to the end, and then we're going to take a line and go up. We'll do 0.25, so there will be a 50.5 inch circle in the middle here. And then we're going to take, oh no, it's not going to be 0.5. It's going to be a little less, but still, that's fine. We'll take a circle. We're going to do 0.1. That's probably good. 0.1 circle, and then we'll go to create a rectangular pattern. We'll select the object. We'll pull the object out. And we'll do 0.18 inches, and then we'll wait, that's the wrong way. We'll have, how about 10? It's going to be a lot of holes in this. So we got that. There's 10 circles. You know what? Yeah, that's fine, I guess. Actually, I don't like that. I feel like we need more. Not more circles and all, but like, I think it needs to go farther out. So we'll do just 2 inches, I guess. It gets closer to the wall. I like that. Dang it, I messed up again. Okay, let's try this one more time. So I like, that's just hitting the middle. Okay, so I like 2 inches, 2, and then we'll do 10 in a line there. So there is should be 10 in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we got 10 circles here. And then you're like, oh, you gotta design all of those like around in a circle. That's the fun part. No. We got a circular pattern. We just select the 10. No, that's just selecting the middle point. I don't want that. So we'll select the outside. Okay. And then we'll select our center point, which is that. And then we're going to revolve it a lot. No, that won't work. See, in the middle they're connecting. So okay, that's not gonna work. We gotta get rid of, I'm gonna get rid of this one in the middle. See right there? Because I don't feel like that would make it, I need more in a circle, but that would like overlap and we don't want that. So now we can do the circular pattern one. There we go. Finally. This is gonna be good at the end, guys. I promise you. There we go. That is a lot of holes I'm going to have to drill. This is going to be fun. So then we finish our sketch, and then we go to extrude. So see how all of those aren't blue, all those holes? That's because they're not selected. And when I extrude it out, we'll do 2.5. It's going to be thick material, but it's fine so it doesn't melt because I don't have any cooling. It's going to be 0.25 thick. And over here, as you can see, it says joint. We actually do not want that. We need new body, so it doesn't connect to this. And then we'll hit OK. And then there's our injector plate. Look at that. Pretty, nice and pretty. Lots of holes. I don't know how many there is. There's 9 times 23. That's a lot. But now, as you can see, this is steel. So again, we're going to go to physical material. And since we already used aluminum in the build, it saves it up to here. So we can just go here. Boom, aluminum. Close. And then, so far we have this. But you probably are like, but this is just open. How is the fuel going to go through there? Because we're using oxygen and propane. It's not going to, just going to like float away. So that's what we need next. We need something to go on top of it that we can just connect and yeah, have the two things go into it. So let's do that next. We're almost done the rocket. This is going to be a very simple rocket. I'm not going to make it really complex because I'm not a rocket scientist. I am an engineering student. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go here again. We're going to have it on the outside. We're going to middle point it. That, and then we'll go there. And then I should be using construction lines, but I'm not. It doesn't matter. So we'll go 2.5 out. And then also remember, since I'm going to 3D print these models first and then make them out of metal by casting them, my 3D printer is not perfect, so we'll leave a little bit out so my 3D printer can make it. Also, these are pretty big parts, so hopefully my 3D printer will be able to put it on the bed. I'm pretty sure it will. Because mine can print 8 inches by 8 inches by 8 inches, but this isn't that big. This is it's pretty close though. Okay, so that's probably good. And we'll need to move this out more. We'll do just an inch 25, 1.25 inches. Okay, hit done. And I noticed something while I was designing this right now. that this can just slide down, so we got to make a little bump there. So let's do that too. Let's go there. Circle. There we go. Oh, this needs to go out somewhere. We'll do 4.8. There we go. Okay, so now when I do this, I want it to stick to this one right here, but I don't want it to stick to this. So we're going to turn off number 2 and number 1, and then I can just go and extrude this up a little bit like that. And now it's connected to this. No, it's not. That's weird. Why aren't you connected? Oh, I messed up. Okay, so this helps when the timeline's there. We can go back, get rid of that. What just happened? What? Okay, I don't know what's happening right now. My computer's being slow. We'll just there we go. Why aren't you going away? Delete. Why aren't you delete? Okay. Delete. There we go. Now we can fix it. We'll just go to P and hit that. There we go. Now it fixed it. Now we can actually do it. There we go, guys. This is working. Hopefully now. There we go. Now it's a joint. 0.30, that's fine. There we go. Now this is like a coupler for it. And then we can bring back these. It sits like right on top, and I can braze it to it because I don't have anything to weld aluminum, but I can braze aluminum, so that will work. Okay, and then the last thing we need for this is, well, first to change the body to a physical material of aluminum. That would make sense. There we go. And then for this, we need also a top that we can screw in like fittings for it. So for this, I'm going to be using 1/4 inch MPT adapters for I'll plug in tubes for them. It's not going to be that hard. So we'll just, we'll take it and we'll go back into Sketch here. We'll just put P. No, that's wrong. We'll go back into Sketch. This is being annoying right now. Okay. And then in the middle, we'll just put, no, we gotta have on the sides. Okay, so we'll go out 0.75. Oh, now that I'm thinking about this isn't the best. So I don't think this is what we want to do, actually. Because we need to mix, right? We need the fuel to mix very well. So, I'm thinking. Let's see. We almost need like a manifold. I'm not going to design that right now, so I'm just going to put a 1/4 inch hole in the middle, and then we'll design the manifold later. That's not going to be in this video because I'm lazy. Well, we'll get it next time. And we'll go up 0.25. There we go. Here's our rocket engine. This is it. It wasn't that hard to design. You can do it at home. Very easy. The only problem is Fusion is a little more expensive than most people want to buy. So if you could probably find other CAD software, I'm pretty sure SolidWorks might be free for a couple trials. I know my school gets it for free, but I like this Fusion more. So if you want, you can probably do this at home. It'll be very cool. So try it at home. And if you guys actually do try it at home, comment and just like and subscribe, guys. Do this next time, and we'll make the manifold next, and then start 3D printing the parts. Thank you guys for watching.